Hello and welcome to SolarEdge Learning Lab. Today, we're going to learn how to remove the secondary lock nut on a Synergy inverter. It's always important to de-energize the inverter. Start with the red toggle switch, then turn off the DC safety switch. Once the inverter is de-energized, we can remove our AC connector. Once the connector is removed, we're going to unland our line 1, line 2, line 3, neutral, and grounding conductors. Once you pull the wires out, we can use our 2-inch socket to remove the external AC lock nut. So once it's loose, you can remove by hand. Then you're going to pull out the AC connector. Once the AC connector is out, we have access to the internal lock nut. So go ahead and remove the interior lock nut with your hand. Make sure the gasket stays in place and there's a little channel for the gasket to be seated in. And replace the AC connector. Make sure that that white dot is pointed towards the front. Go ahead and put your AC exterior lock nut back in place. And we're going to tighten the AC exterior lock nut using our 2-inch socket again. And you want to make sure, once it's hand tight, to go ahead and use a torquing T handle. And you're going to torque the lock nut to 7 Newton meters. So I'm just confirming that it's torqued to 7 Newton meters. Once the AC connector is back into place, we're going to reland our AC wires and we're going to torque to 1.2 Newton meters or 11 inch-pounds. Always take a picture so you have something to reference. It's important that you have line 1, line 2, line 3, neutral, and ground in the correct locations. Go ahead and put your AC connector, your AC cable back into place, twist to secure, and then install your provided lock ring. Thank you for joining us at SolarEdge Learning Lab.